Hey, what's up, guys? It is Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com, and I thought I'd do a quick update, Power Lead System update, show you some Power Lead System income proof and some results, that kind of thing. But I just want to say this, okay? So Power Lead System, I joined this program in April of 2015. Okay, I joined it because, my sponsor told me, hey, this is awesome, check it out. So I joined it. The guy quit like the next week, and for the longest time I didn't know my sponsor. I didn't know anything. I was listening to the guys that were telling me that this program was hard to convert. It was too complicated for newbies, and unfortunately for me, I believed that. So you really have to be careful who you listen to. Just by listening to them and hearing them say, oh, it's too complicated, instead of me taking this thing seriously and really promoting it and really getting behind it, what I did was keep it in the background, and I just kind of I used the tools, which is cool. The tools are great, the training's great, but I was always searching for something different. I was always searching for some other program, and I wasted a lot of time, and I wasted a lot of money. And looking back, if I would have just stuck with Power Lead System, if I would have just got all in the business, because it's not even that much to get all in, man, I just, I left so much money on the table with my decision. So when I make these videos, I want you to understand something. Okay, first of all, Power Lead System, we're not hyping this up at all. It is what it is, okay? It is a training platform. It is a marketing tools platform. That's what it provides. It provides marketing tools so you can help build whatever business you're working. It doesn't matter what business you're working, so you can generate more leads and create more sales. That's what Power Lead System is. Now, people have all kinds of different explanations. They say all kinds of different things about it, and it's just interesting because last night, I had a conversation with a guy that actually is part of the support for a top software company in this niche when it comes to marketing tools and training. And even he said that Power Lead System is a great program, especially since the value you get. And I'm telling you, he's in a top program. And I was having this conversation with him, and I was like, man, why are you in Power Lead System? Like, you're in this top program that many say are better. And he told me this is the best program when it comes to, beginners and intermediate average kind of marketers. This is the best program. Now, we have 6-7 figure earners using the tools, using the training from this platform, Power Lead System. Power Lead System provides a phenomenal compensation plan, highly leveraged compensation plan. So you're not just going out every week and getting sales. So I've done that, okay? And all you do is you go out, you get sales, and you have no duplication. There's no team duplication. There's no leverage. It's literally you go out, you get sales. You're basically a salesperson. And I can tell you from experience, it's not fun. It's not fun you only being the one earning. So now, thankfully, I can say thank you to Power Lead System that I have duplication. I have a team of people that are going to work, that are promoting Power Lead System, and because of that, I am getting paid. So I don't have to put it all on myself. Instead, my team is going to work, and I'm getting to benefit. They're benefiting too, but I'm benefiting from their efforts. And that's the beautiful thing about Power Lead System, because it's built to not only help you build whatever business you're doing, but it's built to help you leverage your income, leverage your time. That's what it's for. And I don't have to go deep into this. It's training tools. It's tons of training. Honestly, if people would take Power Lead System seriously, those that are already in it, if they would take some time and they would go through the training, if they would go to the Wednesday training, the Thursday training, especially the Thursday training, they would not be saying it doesn't work. They would not be confused. They would not feel overwhelmed, because the only reason you feel overwhelmed is when you come into this program and you look at everything that there is provided, and there is a lot. There's a lot in here. The only reason you will not have success in this program is if you look at this and you go, oh, well, that's just too much for me. I just can't do that. I'm overwhelmed and I'm done. That's it. I'm done. They have this click the easy button. When you click the easy button, what this does is this brings you into a video that shows you exactly what to do, how to set everything up, what Power Lead System is, how it works, how it's going to benefit you. And then you can put a link right here. This is the easy button. You select a link and you go promote, and that's it. And you're set up, you're ready to go, okay? So that's Power Lead System. Let me just show you some results real quick here. All right, guys, so you can see this is my picture right here. This is me, okay? If I hover over it, there's Paul G. That's my email, okay? Don't spam me. I get people doing that all the time. Anyway, we got, you can see what's going on here, okay? A lot of this is coming from my team. This, to me, is actually a slower week. If you look at some of my other weeks, you can see I have 269 in here. 269 emails, and what that means is every email means a sale was made. Okay, I started this list because I have another list. I switched over to a different email account. I started this list about 2 months ago, so 269 in 2 months. Okay, so about 2 months. I'm not 100% sure the date, but it's something like that. But this is consistent, guys. This is consistent. This is, you know, every day sales coming in. You can see this with your own eyes, okay? I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm part of a group. It's called Freedom Takers. I'm going to get to that in a minute. And we teach you step-by-step strategies. We basically tell you exactly what to do so you can go do it. We give you the done-for-you funnel, okay? We give you everything you need to be successful. The rest is up to you. But so you can just see, you know, we got golds. This is $20 plus, you know, if they are on my direct line, that means I get 50% matching bonus on anything they make at the gold level. So if they, let's say they make $500, I make $250. And that, if this person makes $500, I make $250. If this person makes $500, I make $250. You see, so there's a lot of leverage. Plus, I make $20 a month. Okay, diamond is $100. Okay, so this is a slower week for me. Usually, I have more diamonds. You can see I have some diamonds down here, but there's a fast start bonus. That's a $400 sale right there. I was pointing to the wrong thing. When you see fast start bonus 400, or if your team gets a fast start bonus, this is not a compensation plan video. You make $50 just because your team got a sale. If your team gets a diamond sale, you make $25 just because they got a sale. If it's a pass up, you make $100. Okay. This is not a compensation plan video. What I'll do is I'll put a compensation plan video like in the cards so you can see if you want to go through the compensation plan. But you know, if I just scroll through a little bit, I mean, you can just see it's just consistent. Look at the dates. Every single day there is something coming in to my business every single day. Okay, so let me just go back a little further. And I'm not alone on this. I'm going to show you in just a minute how I'm not alone. See, you can see, look at the dates. See, look at the dates. These are coming in consistently every day. I'm not making this up. These are coming in consistently every single day. You can see throughout November, I don't think there was one day missed that a sale did not come in from either me or my team. Okay, guys, so this isn't rocket science. This isn't hard. I'm not going to tell you it's easy, but it is simple, especially with what we provide, with the training we provide, with the step-by-step training, with the live training. You can do this. You absolutely can do this. I'm going to show you some new people. Some people have been struggling online that are doing this too in just a minute here. But you can see, look, I'm just scrolling back. I'm just going through. Look at the dates. Every single date, there is a sale. I'm not making this up. This is me. Look, that's my picture. And you know, for those of you that are doubting that you can do this, I promise you, you can do. I mean, just look, I'm still going. We're going into October now. Every single day, if you just look at the dates, every day. Okay, here we skip some, right? October 1st, and then go to. But look, I mean, this is just consistent. Have I gone all the way back? Nope, not yet. Still going back. Okay, so we're going into September now. See, there you go. I mean, almost every single day up until now have been sales coming in every single day. Okay, so I don't know what you want in a business. For me, it was simple. I wanted something that was stable, something that is proven, something that pays on time, and most importantly, something that provides value, more value than the price, honestly, more value than what you pay for it. And I wanted, good owners. This is what I wanted. And I wanted a leveraged compensation plan. I wanted something where I didn't have to bust my butt all the time just to get paid. I wanted leverage. I wanted my team to help me out a little bit. That's what I think everybody wants. We want time freedom. We want to increase our income leveraging other people's efforts, right? That's what we want. Isn't that important? And that's what Power Lead System provides. Plus, like I said, we do live training Wednesday, Thursday, and then our team, Freedom Takers, I'm going to take you over there now. Freedom Takers, this right here, Freedom Takers, we provide you with step-by-step training and live training. We do Sunday trainings, okay? The power of the Sunday training, I'm just going to tell you straight out. The Sunday trainings produce results. The Sunday trainings produce sales. The Sunday trainings produce upgrades. That's what they produce. That's what they do. And last week, we actually maxed out our room because we had so many people taking an interest in what we're doing. And we have to increase it now. So we actually maxed it out. There were more people wanting to get on than we could support. So we have to increase what we can add now, okay? So I just want you to see, okay? So we just opened this group up. Before it was private. You had to be a Power Lead System member at minimum gold level with one of our team members. Now we've opened it up to the public. Now, if you're already in Power Lead System, you're watching this video, you're already in Power Lead System, you have a sponsor outside of our group, then we have a nominal fee, and it's only fair to our other members to do that, okay? So it's nothing crazy. It's not gonna break the bank, but it's just something, we want people to be serious. We want people to have success. That's why we do that. But for everyone else, we just literally opened up the doors so you can come in and see what we're doing, see if this is a fit for you. Honestly, I can't even imagine it not being a fit when you see these results, you see what we're doing, you see all the training provided. But I know some people, they just want it to be easy. They want to go run around looking for the easy money, which, it really doesn't exist. I've tried it. I've tried it numerous times, and it's blown up in my face every single time. I've lost thousands and thousands of dollars chasing easy money. It doesn't exist, okay? If it did exist, think about it. Every single person on the planet would be doing it, don't you think? So, but it doesn't have to be hard. It can be simple, and we show you how simple it really is in this group, Freedom Takers, okay? So I'm just going to scroll through, okay? You can just see the activity. You start here at the pinned post, and as we go through, my man Kevin here, look at his results. He's posting his results. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but he has all kinds of golds coming in. Just consistency, right? And it's like almost every single day he has something coming in. Fantastic. We have people welcoming new members into the group. This is constant. This is happening all the time. And then look, there's more results. See, people are posting their results nonstop. It's really quite incredible what's going on here. And sorry about that. My goodness. Here's someone, Jennifer here, just got all in her business. Okay, this is something that we teach you to do. So you have the most results, so you position yourself to make the most money. You want to purchase all the products. It makes the most sense. You have more skin in the game, and you're going to make more money. Okay, simple as that. The only reason people don't do this is because they're scared. They don't think they're going to make the money. But when you have a group like ours, and you have the training like we provide, and you have a system like Power Lead System, you're going to make the money. There's just no, I guess, not even a question. To me, it's not even a question. It's like, just get all in, I left a lot of money on the table because I didn't do that. I didn't get into everything. So let me go back here and show you what that looks like. So if I go to getting started here, am I in getting started? Okay, you want all of these to be green. So we have the diamond level, which is $147 one time, never pay again. And Social Profit Academy, $497 one time, never pay again. This pays $100 commissions. This pays $400 commissions. These add up. These really make a difference. And if your team doesn't have this and they get one of these sales, it rolls up to you. So you just made $400. Same with this one. Again, this is not a compensation plan video. I'm just letting you know you can make very good money with Power Lead System. You can do it rather quickly, enough to walk away from your job if you really apply what we teach here in Freedom Takers. You plug in, you get all in. Like I said, get all in. It's not just a saying. It is what you need to do to be successful in your business. It really is. People want to dip their toe in the water. They want to just go, oh, let me just try it. You're going to fail. Simple as that. You're going to fail. Take my word for it. You will fail if you do it that way. You cannot dip your toe in the water. You got to get all in. Go listen to any expert. They're going to tell you, get all in. And it's just going to position you better. Mentally, it's going to change things for you. You're going to work that much harder on your business. And for the most part, that will help you make more money. Now, there are exceptions. There are some people that just don't do anything at all. Then it's not going to help them. If you get all in, you do nothing, it's not going to help you. Okay? Well, look, I'm just going through. And you can just see the proof. Look, proof, more results, more results, more results. We just got it all the way down. More results, more results. So, you know, people throughout our group, newbies, people that have been struggling to make money, even veteran marketers are in here. We just have an array of people that are getting results. So definitely come check us out. Freedom Takers, just type it in, Freedom Takers. I'll put that link at the bottom of this video. I encourage you, if you decide to come in this group, I encourage you to go and get your 7-day free trial minimum with Power Lead System and tap into our training, because we have so many members that are having results and is growing every single day. Our group is growing every single day. We're at 616 members. I'm saying we're going to be at 1,000 by the end of the month. I really believe that. I could be a little bit off, but I'm pretty certain we're going to be at 1,000 members because we are growing like crazy. We got all kinds of things going on. We're always looking to make it better. We're always looking to provide more value, because the thing about us is we want to see you succeed. We both, Amanda and myself, okay, and any of the other people within the group, we want to see you succeed. I myself struggled, okay, a lot when I started. And the reason I struggled is because I didn't have a blueprint. I didn't have step-by-step training. I didn't have someone showing me what works and why I need to do it. You have that here, okay? Anyway, that's all I got for today. I hope that makes sense. Guys, just get started. Click on the link below. Get started. Get in this group. Get plugged in. And we will take care of you. And you have the blueprint to success. And the beautiful thing about Power Lead System, you can use it for anything. I don't care what business you're in, you can use it for anything. Okay, so with that, make it a great day, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm doing videos all the time. I do what I can to provide as much value and to share what I learn as I go. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.